equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your Dyson V10. First, unplug your vacuum cleaner and remove the battery. This is crucial for your safety. Locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. As you open the handle, take a moment to inspect the internal parts for any dust or debris. A clean vacuum performs better, so consider giving it a quick clean while you're here. Now, focus on the trigger mechanism. You will see a small pin holding the trigger in place. Using your tweezers, carefully remove this pin. If you find it difficult, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. With the pin removed, you can now take out the old trigger. Compare it with your new trigger to ensure it's the correct part. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Insert the new trigger into the handle, ensuring it fits snugly. Once in place, reinsert the pin using your tweezers. This step is crucial as it secures the trigger and allows it to function properly. Next, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and press them together gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. After reassembling the handle, reattach the battery. Turn on your Dyson V10 to test the new trigger. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to get your vacuum back in working order. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 is a straightforward process that can save you time and money. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your vacuum running like new again. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.